I'm gonna show you my Easter stuff, and you're probably wondering where Francis is. He's shy. But we got the same stuff.
He's there. He's Kilby.
Yeah, he's Kirby because he couldn't find the big Easter egg that fast. Also, we had a note where it actually could be, and I found mine even first. This is my boiled egg. I found in the fridge. Really unlogisch. She really boiled her egg. We got this. This was for our room. I'm gonna keep this all guys. I got so many cool, and I got the big egg, and since in the end of the video we are gonna show the big egg first. We got this. I can't open that. And we got so many
Chocolates. You can eat your baldy now. Don't do it like that. And Francis is there.
Hi, I'm opening now my egg. What I said you can see. I'm gonna open it now. I can't get it. Here's a toy inside.
You gotta be quiet, guys.
Be quiet. Ah!
That is a chocolate, by the way.
I know.
You put it.
That's it. Guys, do you know how to open this?
You can pop that.
I know.
Yeah.
Need help from Papa, I think. Let her open. She needed a help. Fuck.
Look. What's this?
And you gotta put the chocolate in a thing.
Oh my gosh. I did the biggest failure. I didn't. And it's not getting any more off. Oh. Yeah, wait, it's nice.
Francis torn.
And we are guessing what we have. That's actually easy.
Your chocolate, put it in the thing. You need help? Come, give it to Mama.
What is this? A dinosaur? What is this?
What did you got?
This stuff. What is this?
What did you got?
What is this?